Hello students, today we will do some numerical problems based upon whatever we have studied earlier about behavior of gas, the ideal gas equation PV equals to mu RT. So first, let us take problem number 1 or the assignment number 1. A vessel contains two non-reactive gases. The gases are one is mu, that is monatomic gas, and another is oxygen, that is diatomic gas. And the ratio of their partial pressure is given 3:2. Estimate the ratio of first number of molecules and second mass density of neon and oxygen in the vessel. Provided that is equals to 20.2 atomic mass unit, which is the atomic mass, and molecular mass of oxygen is equals to 32 atomic mass unit. Solution is, we know that the total pressure of the mixture at a temperature and volume is equivalent to the sum of individual pressures exerted by the part gases of that mixture at the same temperature and the volume. Total pressure of gaseous mixture at a temperature equals to sum of partial pressures of constituent gases at same temperature and volume. Thus, say for neon gas, P1 V1 equals to mu1 R T1, and for oxygen gas, P2 V2 equals to mu2 R and T2. The gas equation for both neon gas and oxygen gas. Now see here, since we have prepared the mixture of both of the gases and the mixture temperature, pressure and volume are such that for both cases P1 upon P2 ratio of their partial pressures is equals to mu1 upon mu2, ratio of the moles of individual gases present in their same volume at the same temperature. So again, the ratio of their partial pressure can be written as P1 upon P2 equals to 3 upon 2, that is given to us, and that ratio will also be equals to ratio of their molar concentration in the same sample of volume. Same volume of sample. So the ratio of number of moles present in the same volume of gas samples is equals to 3:2. Now at first we have to calculate the ratio of number of molecules present in the gas samples. We know that for any of the gas, the number of moles mu is given by total number of molecules of that gas in the sample divided by Avogadro number. Thus, mu1 will be equals to n1 upon na, and mu2 will be equals to n2 upon na, or we can write n1 upon n2 will be equals to mu1 upon mu2. That value we have found already, which is 3:2. So ratio of number of molecules of both of the gases present in the same volume is n1 is to n2 equals to 3:2. That is our required answer. Now come to the second option of the question. We have to find out the mass density of neon and oxygen in the vessel. The number of moles present in the gas we can write in terms of mass of the n number of molecules upon mass of number of molecules present equal to Avogadro number. So for neon gas we can write it mu1 equals to small m1 divided by capital M1, where M1 equals to mass of neon gas sample and capital M1 equals to molecular mass of neon gas sample. So for the above equation we can write it here, mu1 equals to, similarly for oxygen gas, mu2 equals to small m2, which will be the mass of oxygen gas sample, and capital M2, which will be the molecular mass of oxygen gas sample. So the ratio of mu1, the ratio of densities of neon and oxygen gas respectively rho 1 upon rho 2 equals to small m1 divided by volume of neon gas and small m2, which is the mass of oxygen gas sample divided by volume of oxygen gas sample, which we can get further as ratio of small m1 to small m2. Again, it can be simplified from the above equations in terms of moles present in the gas. M1 equals to mu1 multiply capital M1 and M2 equals to mu2 multiply capital M2, which can be rewritten further. The ratio of mu1 mu2 is given 3:2, which we have calculated earlier. So we can write it 3/2 multiply molecular mass of neon gas sample given as 20.2 and molecular mass of oxygen gas sample given as 32. On solving this, we get the density of neon gas 2, density of oxygen gas as 0.947. It is the ratio of density of neon gas to density of oxygen gas. And that is our required answer.